All right, well, so far we've heard from two experts on the two different browsers. Next, we thought we would talk to two big-time net users to see what they like or dislike about each of the new browsers from Netscape and Microsoft.
Megan Conran is a senior at Stanford University. She has barely enough time in the day to complete her coursework, prepare for exams, and apply to law school. But Megan has an assistant to remind her of when to file papers and how to prepare for exams. It comes to her through the Kaplan Educational Center's website using Microsoft push channels.
You know, I'm really busy writing my thesis, taking, midterms, working my job here, so that I don't have time to go to the library and sit down in front of a computer for hours just going through all the different web pages. It's so nice to have information that's tailored to me available at the push of a button.
The Kaplan Edge provides Megan with several categories of information that is specific to law schools. Kaplan decided to use Microsoft's Internet Explorer instead of Netscape because of the browser's push channels and its interactive abilities.
One great thing that Internet Explorer offers is some terrific linkages with some other Windows technology. So there's great visual transitions you can do. They have a connection with their agent technology for speech, and we've been able to use these to make a very lively looking, beautiful channel. And in particular, we've implemented flashcards which can appear on your screen, and they can even be spoken by one of the agent characters.
The word is great. It means to scroll partially.
While Kaplan is an active channel partner with Microsoft, the company plans to offer Netscape communicator channels as well. Mac Addict magazine is another company trying to balance their own browser preference with their customers' demands. Mac Addict chose Netscape for their Mac website.
Primarily it's performance, and that sounds a little weird when you're sitting on a T1 line, but it's still, if you can get a 5-second difference in the speed of rendering a page between one browser and another, it makes a definite improvement in your quality of life. My browser of choice actually is Netscape Navigator 3.
Mac Addict has a special interest in Netscape's cross-platform abilities and some reservations about an Explorer programming feature called ActiveX.
You point to an ActiveX control which has been compiled for a specific processor, whether it's Pentium or PowerPC, and there is no provision to divert you to a different executable depending on your platform. So if somebody puts an ActiveX control in their web page, odds massively, 90%, is that they're going to link to the Windows version of that. And if you as a Mac user come along, you see nothing. It's just a sort of real thumb in the eye. You are not dominant. You do not have market share.
For the Computer Chronicles, I'm Sarah O'Brien.